Alright, y'all. We're in for a good one today. I am on the mountain bike today. This is so sick. It's my first time on my mountain bike this year, this summer. Oh my gosh. I miss this thing. I miss doing these kinds of trails. We're at Heart Lake Conservation. We'll see how well I remember this place, because I don't. It's been a while, too long. It's been a bit long, but I think it's coming back. It's coming back. But yeah, it's like pretty much July. Halfway through the year. This is my first ride on this bike, which is the reason why I like biking. Alright, we're gonna get right into this. See if there's another way to go up this hill. There is. It don't look too pretty. Alright, we're in the single track area. I'm gonna be taking it super easy. That's just where I'm at for my first ride of the year. So let's do it. Single track bliss. Single track stuff is awesome. Oh, it's been a while, man. Let's see how good my cardio is. Legs and lungs. Head up. I got my drop seat. This bike is sick. I do need some tires on this thing. I'll get proper mountain bike tires going on. These are like trail tires. But it does the job for now. You use what you have. Wow, I don't think I could scale this. Okay. I probably could. Let's see. Not really. Need some more logs there. Damn, that tree came down. Stuff you see on a mountain bike trail. Yeah, I gotta keep your eyes peeled on these trails. I don't know what I'm at for tire pressure, but it's not super soft. I do like some good roll. Running tubes though. I think it did come tubeless. Where do I go from here? This way? Yeah, let's try it. Breaking in the bike, breaking in my body for some MTB trails. It's a good go. I love this bike though. I've taken this bike some pretty sick places. I bought it out in Saskatchewan, and I rode it while I was there. tiny one. Okay, I could do this one. This is nice and fresh. And the thing with some of these trails, if you don't want to get too dirty, it has to be relatively dry. So no rain the night before. Haven't done this one in a while. Not too bad. Okay. Wood everywhere. I rode this bike out in London everywhere I could. This is the only bike that I brought there. I feel like I'm back in the same spot. Oh, wide handlebars. Good for stability, but I think it's this way. Yeah, I don't even know. Unless there's new paths I don't know about. I love this redwood kind of section, these pine covered floor. It's so soft. So this is my first one of the year. Before I tackle on more intense rides. This one is close to home. Art Lake conservation. I remember this part. Knowing the trail definitely helps to know what gear to be in. Sweet. Oh, this is good. That single track section, I used to do that 2-3 times. But today we'll make a rounds. Let's see what's going on here. How much I remember this place. I think this is another good section. Put my seat down, drop the seat down, and just maneuver. And drop the seat back up. When I first got the drop seat, it took some getting used to know when to put it down, to remember that it's there as a feature to use. But now that it's there, I use it all the time. Climbing, downhill, anything other than cruising, drop it, get the seat out of the way, and you got more room. There's another nice section of this place where you get to the that treetop trekking area, if they still have that. This is all right, not too messy. I'm digging this. Mountain biking is good work though. Completely different from road bike on flat surfaces. The variation is pretty intense here. Constantly changing gears. The elements, I can already feel my hands. Got a break in the body a bit. I remember this. All the way down. And grind. Stuff like that. Not that it would kill you, but a little climb like that takes a bit of juice. Solid climbing, riding around. Oh yeah. Only thing I gotta watch out for is these pedals are decently long. I forgot the length, but they will hit if I have either side maxed out all the way down. So over hills and bumps, keep them neutral. It'll be good. Long pedals are good though for like top speed and stuff. And this bike's not a hardcore enduro or mountain bike thing going on. I think I go straight. We'll see. And triple down gear is pretty sick. I think it only goes single up, but triple down gear is solid when you're caught going uphill and you don't realize it. Okay, let's check this out. Oh, nice. Yeah, buddy. So I think, yeah, going up that hill is more intricate and there's options to go around. But Heart Lake Conservation overall, I wouldn't say is a beginner spot. I think you could play it safe and keep it in easy areas, but intermediate for sure. And one of the best things about mountain biking is that, yes, you're getting an exercise and it's physical, but where you are in the environment is amongst fresh trees. So while huffing and puffing and absolutely trying to stay alive, the trees are here to help, giving clean, fresh air. So that's one of the main things I like about riding in these kinds of places. And even when I'm on my road bike, I go for trails, not on the main road. Fresh air is of the utmost importance. We're back on a little stretch. This is a good learning run for me. I usually do a whole lap in about an hour when I was going at it. And I have to get used to these signs and what they mean. Because right now I'm just going. Oh, and it's so fresh in these shaded areas. Oh, it feels so good. So it isn't one big circle. There are many trails in between and cut throughs. Like I said, that actual mountain biking single track section is probably the best part. Not high speed, but a bit technical, ups and downs, turns, curves. Well worth the trip out here to Heart Lake for that. So I hope you enjoyed your time here with me on Heart Lake Conservation Trail. Throughout the summer, I'll be learning this trail a lot better and be more fluid through it, especially up in that one corner. I'll get lost. I've definitely been lost there before. And my first mountain biking ride of the year, one of many more, but just wanted to get started here, test out the bike, get a feel for things, and it's good. It's good. A little bit more of an effort where to drive it out to a location, but absolutely worth it for a morning. Wake up early, strap on the bike and hit the road. Absolutely worth it. But I will be going to Palgrave. I'll be in hills for the first time. Where else? Those are the main ones that I know. Palgrave is one of my favorite ones. Absolute deadly work, but that's single track heaven around here.
And since this isn't a full downhill or enduro bike, it's good for climbs, good for the cardio. It's torture, but it feels good though. Hardtail life. Alright, I think I'm close. So, adios amigos. It's been good. Drop comments, share your mountain bike locations in the GTA. Yeah, there's Don Mills too. That's a bit advanced, not gonna lie. Anywhere that you go to ride your bike, even if it's a short trail, it's good to know and hit up new spots. So yeah, take care until next time.